What up guys, my name is Finalizing from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to create a couple of push ads using Zeropark and an offer from Mob Idea. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so I am at Mob Idea, and this is the offer on which we are going to focus on today. And it is an offer for Serbia, and the payout is €3.46. There are no traffic restrictions, and I'll show you the offer. Originally, it's a SMS offer, but we are going to create a push campaign. Usually you wouldn't do that, but this is just for training purposes. So this is the offer, Clean Master Lite. So it's basically a offer to clean your device, throw away any files that are double or taking away your space, and cleaning up your device to make it faster. So it's similar to an antivirus, but not exactly the same flow, as you'll see later on. So let's go to Zeropark. If you don't have an account yet, you can simply sign up using this button right here. But we already have an account, so we're gonna log in. Let's see. All right, here we go. We're now inside of Zeropark, and we're going to press New Campaign. We're going to do a, whoops, we're going to press this way. We're going to do a, whoops, I meant a push campaign. There we go. And we're going to do a run on network since we don't have any whitelists or blacklists. And the campaign name is going to be Serbia Clean Master. Yeah, sure, that's fine. Put my name back there. We're gonna do classic push in Serbia. So originally we would do it in Russian now, since that's the language they speak in Serbia, but we're gonna do it in English. We're not gonna do any geo-targeting, but if you want to, you can select regions or cities on which you want to promote. Language, I'm gonna keep it at all languages. We're going to apply the suggested bid for Serbia. No daily budget, no campaign budget. I'm going to leave that as is right now. That's all fine. Okay, so we want an image of 192 by 192. So let's go to Canva. And we're going to create a new design with custom dimensions 192 by 192. Here we go. Awesome. Okay, so what I want to do is grab an image of an alert. Something like this. This is actually perfect. Ooh, I like this one. We're gonna save this image and we're gonna drop it into Canva. Nope. Gonna do that myself. I don't like the way Canva does it. Let's see. Okay, cool. Gonna download that. And we're gonna upload that to Zeropark. Let's focus it on mobile only. Your smartphone is getting slow. Whoops. Okay, let's just say your device is slow. Clean up your device to make it faster. Cool. There we go. That's how easy it can be. We've got our first creative. So we're going to do yet another one. I'm going to press this away. I'm going to remove this. And we're going to do another approach. So Clean Master is the name of the app. And that's basically this one. But let's go with this. I like this. So I'm going to save this image. I'm going to upload it once again. There we go. Download that. All right. And we're going to upload that once again in Zeropark. Let's see. One virus is slowing down. A virus is slowing down your... That's never gonna fit. Nope. Let's put that in the description. Okay. We just need a title, so let's see. Alerts, one virus found. So it's not really a antivirus software, but we can still promote it that way. So it says, alert, one virus found, a virus is slowing down your device. Clean it up now. Clean, maybe we can change it in, we've got plenty of characters. Clean up your phone now. Cool, that still fits. Awesome. All right, so we now have a second draft for a creative. Let's do yet another one. See if we can approach this on a different angle. Slow phone. Slow phone test. So I want the results of a test like this, but then with very low speed. To create the feeling of like this is a test of your phone and it's terribly slow. Something like this, but I don't like the branding on this. I don't want any branding. Speed test phone slow. Something like this. Any better results? I kind of like this one, but it's not exactly what I want, but we could use it. Let's just go with it. I'm going to save the image. And we're going to drop it into Canva once more. And then what we're going to do, I kind of only want this little metric down here. Let's see. We can even make it bigger if we want to. Okay, so it's not really popping. That's what's concerning to me about this image. The colors kind of blend into each other. We have a dark background and basically the majority of the image is dark as well, except from this little blue part here. So ideally, I would rather search for another one that's a little bit brighter or has a little bit more contrast, if you like. But for this one, we're just going to run with it. You get the gist of it. Your phone Let's see. We've tested your device's speed. That doesn't fit. We've tested the speed of your... That's not going to fit as well. Warning. Oops. I should spell it right, at least. Warning. Bad test results. We've tested the speed of your device and it could use a cleanup. Warning, bad test results. We've tested the speed of your device and it could use a cleanup. And with that metric right there, with the meter being very low, it will be convincing that it's an actual test. So we have three creatives. Your device is slow, clean up your device to make it faster with the warning sign. We have the cleaning app alert. One virus found. A virus is slowing down your device. Clean up your phone now. And we have the test results. Warning, bad test results. We've tested the speed of your device and it could use a cleanup. So three different approaches, similar but still quite different. It's a different angle you take on each one of these. The second one is very much focused on a virus. The first one is just an alert of your device is slow. And with the third one, we use the angle of a test, a speed test of the phone. And then right here, we would put in our destination URL. Conversion payout auto, that's fine. Conversion capping disabled. Although we do have a, do we have a capping here? No, I don't think so. Nope, we don't have any capping. That's good, so we can leave that off. Campaign status after approval active, that's all fine. Cool. So that is going to be it for this one. We created three different push ads for this Mob ID offer of the Clean Master, the Clean Up Your Phone Now. So three different angles, three different ads with push ads using Zeropark. So if you don't have Zeropark, make sure to sign up. Go to zeropark.com, and the same counts for Mob ID, of course. A good combination for your push ad campaigns. So that's going to be it for this one, but I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.